Match programs can be copied to allow admins quick creation of a new program by making minimal changes to an existing program. This could be used for end of the year setup or as an urgent response. The ability to copy a match program is a permission setting that exists under CSRconnect admin portal. The functionality exists on the left-hand side of the screen under Give Settings. You can click the caret or anywhere in this space, and then Match Programs. To clean this up a little bit, I'm going to search for a 2025 program. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll proceed as if we were setting up a brand new program for the next year's activity. I will also point out along the way anything that might need to be updated in the event of an urgent response. From this page, you can see some basic information about these programs, so it helps you find the program that you're looking for that you want to copy. In this case, let's redo the offline match. We'll hover over the hamburger icon on the right and click Copy Match Program. Now it's going to display with this copy match program name, but don't worry, you'll get a chance to make that update. Most of the functionality will not change. As a matter of fact, we're going to go straight down to name. We're going to make this the name for the next year. We're going to make it an offline match, and I like to add a currency code. In the event that there are multiple currency codes, this helps you find the actual program you're looking for. If this were an urgent response, you might give it a name related to that urgent response. The next element that we'll update will be the dates. Since we are primarily focused on the next year, we'll go ahead and move this date forward. You'll get this error message because the dates are out of alignment, but that's okay. We'll move this forward to the end of the next year. We want to make sure that the redemption date, that's the last date to claim this, mirrors what exists here, which is 31 days into the new year. So we'll go ahead and make that update. If this were an urgent response, this time frame might be significantly shorter, and this redemption end date might duplicate the end date. Match settings, because this is a new year, we're going to pick out the new match cap. If this were an urgent response, it is possible that you would have a special match cap set up for it. We will move forward. If this were an urgent response, you might have a percentage greater than 100%. You can edit that there. Likewise, if this were an urgent response, there may be a separate charity bucket. You would work with your client success manager to get that set up. Those should be all of the settings that we need to change. So we'll click Save. There'll be a confirmation message. Click OK. And then again, just to make the search a little bit better, we'll look for the year of what we set up. And now we can see that we have an active offline program for 2026.